Hi guys, it's Miss Ellen from Hopes and I'm here with
Jaden.
And today we are going to read the book Knuffle Bunny, an old classic and a favorite. Do you remember this one?
Yep.
It is a cautionary tale by Mo Willems. Okay, so we've got our friend Knuffle Bunny here, right? And a tale of what is to come. So, not long ago, before she could even speak words, so she couldn't even talk yet, Trixie went on an errand with her dad. An errand is like a chore or a job, so they are leaving their apartment, and there's Trixie and Daddy, and they're leaving, and Mommy's waving bye-bye from the stairs. So Daddy's got the laundry, Trixie has Knuffle Bunny.
Trixie and her daddy went down the block, through the park,
Okay, they walked past the school and into the laundromat. So they walked and walked, they passed some neighbors. It looks like Trixie's just kind of looking all around. She's taking in everything that she's seeing.
Trixie helped her daddy put the laundry into the machine.
And she's really helpful. She's got one of Mommy's things. Daddy's stuffing that in there. Okay. She even got to put money into the machine, right? So she really likes helping, right? And then they left.
Does anyone see that?
Seems like you've spotted something. So somebody ended up
Bunny.
in the machine.
But a block or so later, Trixie realized something. What do you think she realized?
So hold on, maybe we can show you that so you can see, right? Oh, and look at her face. What is her face saying?
She's like, uh-oh.
So her big giant eyes, her eyes kind of pop open to show that something is going on there. Trixie turned to her daddy and said, "Aggle flabble clabble." And look at that face. How does she look there?
So scared.
So scared and upset, right? "That's right," replied her daddy. "We're going home." Now, looking at Trixie's face, do you think that's what she's saying?
No, I think she's saying, I forgot Knuffle Bunny.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Aggle flabble cabble, said Trixie again. Flaggle flabble, wumby flappy, snurp.
So she's really trying to tell Daddy what's going on, and he does not seem to understand what she is saying. He's looking at her.
And that's hard because she can't talk.
Right. Well, she's talking, but she's kind of speaking her own language yet. Right. So she's got her hands out. She's pointing. She's really trying to say something. Now she looks super worried in the end with her eyes all like this. "Now, please don't get fussy," said Daddy. Well, she had no choice. Right. So she's like, he's just not getting me. So Trixie bawled. Wah! And then she went boneless. And what that means is she just kind of dropped to the ground, right? So she just went like all floppy on him, right? So she's trying to let him know, "Daddy, it's not okay."
She did everything she could to show how unhappy she was.
So look what she's doing there. She's flapping her arms. She's trying to pick her up.
By the time they got home, her daddy was unhappy too.
Why do you think he was unhappy?
Because she wouldn't stop screaming and he didn't know what she was trying to say.
Yeah, so now everybody's unhappy, right? As soon as Trixie's mommy opened the door, she asked, "Where's Knuffle Bunny?"
Mom to the rescue.
And then look at Daddy. Oh man. So what are Daddy's and Trixie's faces telling us?
Trixie's like, "That's what I was trying to tell you."
Yeah, Trixie's is like, "Yeah, gosh." And Daddy's like, "Uh-oh."
The whole family ran down the block. And they ran through the park, down the block, through the park.
They are running, man. They look like they're going super fast and they look worried, like, "Oh my goodness." They zoom past the school. Look at that old lady is looking at them like, "What?" And into the laundromat. So it seems like they really want to get there to make sure everything's okay.
Tip: never put your stuffed animals into the washing machine.
That is a good tip.
Trixie's daddy looked for Knuffle Bunny and looked and looked Knuffle Bunny was nowhere to be found.
So he went in the washer, he went in the dryer, he's taking clothes out of there. He's really trying. And I'm looking at Trixie's giant eyes just filling with water. She looks super
sad.
Yeah. So Trixie's daddy decided to look harder, right? So now he's looking in more washing machines and dryers, and he's pulling the laundry out. Knuffle Bunny! So what is that? How does Trixie look
Found
there?
him. She looks so happy.
So her eyes are really bright and wide open, and she said,
Those were the first words Trixie ever said. The end.
so she was talking and nobody understood her, but Mom knew what was going on. Mommies always know. And then her first words ended up being Knuffle Bunny.
Knuffle Bunny.
So what do you think of this book? Talk to me about this.
It's good.
So what is this telling us? Like you said, tip,
Don't put your stuffed animals in the
don't put your stuffed animals in the laundry. So Trixie was being really, really helpful and going with Daddy and running errands and doing chores. But she got caught up in stuff, and Knuffle Bunny went in there. So we just need to be careful. But she said her first words, and her first words were Knuffle Bunny, and it was something that she really loves. And everybody was like, yay! So it was a happy day in the end for a lot of reasons. She found Knuffle Bunny, and she said her first words. So it's just a little heartwarming story. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and let us know what you want to hear. And hopefully we'll talk and see you guys soon. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.